Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace the camera lens glass on Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair which you can find in the description. First, take out the SIM tray and then the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating completes, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic carpet tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. There are few different replacement parts available for this repair. You can select the camera lens with the frame or camera lens without the frame, or back cover with camera lens installed. Next, take out the back cover. And for removing the camera lens glass, apply heat to soften the glue on the camera lens area on the rear side of the back cover. Once you feel the heating is enough, apply pressure from the front side to remove the lens with the frame. Next, you can remove the lens from the frame if needed. Apply heat and push from the rear side to take out the lens. Select the required part and replace the new camera lens and apply glue to it. The replacement camera lens comes with adhesive. Otherwise, you can use B7000 glue on the edges. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the rear car with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.